Hey, welcome back. I've discovered I've got a 2x6, which would be great for the center of the back piece. So I'm going to cut this down and then start screwing the frame together. That sure cuts better with fresh battery. Using those. I'm probably going to need to buy more screws. Yeah, 73 pieces. We'll probably need more. And my lovely assistant is almost here. I'm not sure what's going to make the most sense. Basically, we're going to attach those at a 90-degree angle to the end here. I'm going to pre-drill and then put them in. There's going to be like 3 of these. In the middle, we're putting that big wide one. And then, like, all the way across. So let's do the other end. It needs to be all the way at the end and, like, hold them together. Let's use this as a spacer. You can step on this, it'll hold your weight just fine. This is going to go in the middle, like, oh, it's got to be all the way at the edge. That's not enough space.
Why is it that one and not the other one?
Because we're going to have the 2 halves of the roof are going to sit in the middle. What can we do to space this out? Use that little lift stitch the right height and then we can screw it in. Does that look like about the center? Push it. Are we touching? If you're going to put weight on it, put it over here. So you can be able to put it. That out and it should stay. Yay, it does. Okay, cool. So we need 2 more. Right. Now we got to put the other side on. It's got to get it taut. We can flip it vertical now, I suppose. Let's start with that end and then flip to the other. Okay, so we want to be the width of a sheet of plywood in from the end. You want to start? We can do those two spots. Let's attach a sheet of plywood. Oh, that is not stable, is it?
Really?
What do you think? Just put more screws in? Okay.
I'm not sure. Is it really long enough? Are you sure the screws are long
Um, not by much. Let's put some of the long screws in.
enough? Yeah, that's why it's.
You need to come your way a little. How's that? Okay. You want to start drilling holes, and I'll start putting in screws.
How do you want to put the hole?
What do you think? 3 on each column?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Her back panel.
What's that?
Okay. I'm gonna measure and cut the sides. The framing. Go inside.
You wanted to bring something?
How long are these? I think I can use these for something. Yeah, 16 inches though. I'm gonna put in like 4 more screws. Wow, actually kind of great. It's going to be on the front. This side. This is the side the chickens will go in and out of. This is the side will dump the, this will actually be 2 doors. Let me put these screws in. Cool. Now, the front side is going to have an automatic door in it, and it's going to be about 4 feet tall. We'll have an angled roof here, and then hinges so we can lift up the roof to get, reach down here, get our eggs. Which, in retrospect, that means I'm getting the eggs, not my wife, because she's not that tall, and I'm short. On the other hand, I don't actually have the door to install there, and I want to get the front plywood panel all cut properly before I start installing anything on it. So we're just gonna not put that in until I have that. And I think that's it for tonight. Time to clean up. Interestingly, that level has been used in 3 different countries. The joys of going on mission trips as a kid. It's been used to build the church in Savannah, Costa Rica. No, Palma, Costa Rica. And it was used to build part of a school in Savannah, Jamaica.